Hey, what's up guys? I'm Lauren, and today's video is going to be a bit of a haul. It's basically what I've bought over the last month or so, a July haul, if you will. I'm gonna start off with City Thrift. It's basically like a Goodwill or a Salvation Army. First of all, pants, workwear pants, probably a little corporate for my normal style. And I just thought they were super cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen some of this stuff because I posted Instagram stories immediately after buying them because I was like, I want to know what everyone thinks. It's like a plaid pattern with a side zip, and they're kind of a flare boot cut. I think they're like going to be versatile and a really good item for fall, even though it's July. You've just got to, if you see it and you like it, you got to get it no matter the season, in my opinion. So I think these will be great for fall and, you know, transition and jazz them up. It doesn't have to be boring and workwear. Next, I got some mixed reviews about this top on Instagram because apparently everyone is still going through a hangover from Chevron in like 2010, and I agree with you. I totally agree with you. I hate the Chevron that you're probably thinking of. I'll place some kind of example here. Horrible. We don't want that back. But this is different. This is different. I'm thinking of this through the lens of Michonne. Okay? It's not Michonne. I wish it was, but it's got sort of that vibe. We're bringing Chevron back, but it's different. You know, like reinventing a trend. For all the hype up, this is the top. It's like a tank, a cami. And it's got kind of a shimmer to it, so I was like very Michonne. Am I saying that right too? Michonne? I don't know. You weren't. It's long, so I'd have to tuck it in. It stresses me out to like cut it, especially if it's like a sweater material. Very 70s, that's what my mom said. She was thrifting with me and she was like, very 70s, very Studio 57. Okay, it's Studio 54. Literally ignore me. And I was like, you're right. This is another controversial one. Really into it, like I thought it was so great. And then everyone on Instagram was like, ooh, girl, you missed it. You missed it. I still really like it. So, think 20s flapper, and also 60s mod, okay? Don't at all think middle school dance. Don't think that, okay? Huh? But it's got like a fringe. And then the bottom is this cool material, kind of twiggy. Next is another dress. This one is 80s. It fit me so perfectly. Like it's like kind of got like a boning corset. Hear me out. So it's a lace. The bodice of it is lace, and then the skirt is kind of a satiny material, beading around the neck, and it's got kind of a peplum aspect. I need a formal event now to wear this. Okay, so that's the City Thrift portion. Now Depop. I'll try to put the shops in the description. First up is a swimsuit. I'm probably not gonna try this one on because for obvious reasons. It looks like this. It's like a cute floral pattern. The top is just a triangle kind of top. Got plaid lining, which is so cute, and the straps are the same little plaid, and it looks kind of 70s. I'm going to the beach soon, so. Next is a skirt. This is like probably like a 2010 like wet seal brand. It's called XOXO, but kind of 90s, kind of 70s, kind of like a Emilio Pucci. Not exactly, obviously, but like kind of. It's a midi, so it comes down like middle of my calf, but I fold it in half and make it a mini. I don't know how to explain that. While I was trying to roll it up, I accidentally pulled it up to be a dress. It actually looked really cute, and I was like, oh, hold on, like it's not like a fitted silhouette, obviously, but like, I don't know, the silhouette was kind of cool. I have this little top, which is gonna be hard to show because the straps are kind of weird. It's got like a spaghetti strap, and then this also goes over here, and then it's like it's a one-shouldered top. I thought it might look cute with the skirt, but turns out the greens are a little off, so that did not work. But it looks cute with jeans. This is a kind of bra top. It's mesh, but it has this lace, and it's see-through down here, but the cups are a little more lined. I wore this recently with a white suit that I have. I had been seeing the whole suit blazer with a lacy type bra look, and I thought that was so cute, so I was excited to wear that. Like, everyone's been seeing like the corset kind of tops, and I saw this and I was like, that's super cute. It's just kind of a corset boning type top, and it's got a little floral pattern. It looks really cute on, like, it's really flattering. It's not the most comfortable, but it is super flattering, and I like it. I think it looks really cute with jeans. I want to get some low-waisted jeans to go with it so that this part that goes down isn't like in the jeans, you know what I'm saying? Okay, next, I'll save my favorite for last. I have been needing a new bag forever. I found this one. This is Claiborne, and it's just a really cool shape. It has buckles on this side. I usually wear it this side out. It goes with everything, and it actually fits quite a bunch of stuff in it. I have like my little wallet, fits my phone, my mask, my car keys, you know, the essentials. Now for my favorite thing that I got off Depop. Crochet has been in for basically the whole summer. I stumbled upon this shop, this person on Depop that knits custom tops, and I got this little number. It's a long sleeve, multicolor little knit. Neck is so cute, and I love all of the colors, and it's just honestly my dream top. Like, I wish I could wear this every day, even though it's 95 degrees outside. Of course, it's like a handmade item, so everything's gonna be different. It's not gonna be like factory quality. That's all for the Depop category. Now I have random miscellaneous things from Marshalls and Ross. I have some really exciting things, so I just wanted to include it. So first of all, I have another swimsuit, because when it's summer, for some reason, I cannot resist a swimsuit. It's ridiculous. I don't even go to, I don't have a pool. I go to the beach like once a year. Another swimsuit. This one I felt was kind of 80s inspired with the little bandeau. The 80s are coming back, you know, trend-wise. They're just basic and they match the top. Can't wait to wear it on my beach trip soon. Okay, next. Some of y'all might think I'm crazy for this. Have y'all seen like the what is this even called? Like prairie collar trend? I saw this at Ross and I was like, I love the little puff sleeve, kind of low cut, but I liked that it was kind of low cut because it was like it made it less prairie. It made it less frontier. It spiced it up. Just thought it would look so cute with some like wide leg jeans. I have some Zara jeans that I think it would look really cute with, and kind of a transition piece from summer to fall coming up, thinking ahead. Then we have sunglasses. They're Sean John. I don't know if that's a good brand or not. I just thought they were super cute because they were like kind of square aviator, and these are the last two things that, like, some of these things are like like it's a blouse, or like those are sunglasses, whatever, but these two things are something I'm super excited to share. This is a sweater dress from Guess, but I got it at Ross, and it was originally $108, but at Ross it was $15. I loved the little dragon pattern and the red and black, and it's such a thick, nice sweater material that I was like, I can't pass this up. But here's the freaking kicker. I need it hemmed, like by a good 6 inches. So I'm gonna have to take it somewhere for someone to hem it because I cannot handle that. I'm not qualified to hem that. But worst comes to worst, I feel like I can just fold it under and hope it stays. It's a good deal. Last but not least, the rainbow bag. Okay, this is Cynthia Rowley, and I found it at Marshalls, and it's actually supposed to be a long crossbody bag, but it was so long. Like when you had a messenger bag because you thought you were cool in like 6th grade and you were carrying your books and it just like bounced off your leg. I don't know if anyone else did that, but I did that, and that was kind of a thing at my school. I loved it so much that I was like, okay, we'll make it work. We'll make it work, designers. And I tied the chain in a knot, and I have yet to untie it. And I just feel like it's gonna look so cute with like a all white outfit, or like something simple and like jeans. But this is the statement piece of the outfit. so fun. I cannot wait to wear this out. And that was the grand finale. I wanted to save this for last because it's so cute. I hope you guys like this kind of haul. I know it was kind of all over the place. It's like thrift, but like not fully thrift because it's like Ross and Marshalls, but like also that's kind of thrift-ish. I don't know what to call this, but it's basically what I bought in the last month. I'm kind of growing into my own style, growing into myself, figuring out what I like and not following trends quite as much, which I think everyone should do. Hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.